savannah, Gerald the giraffe found an old gardening book under a baobab tree. Curious, he found it full of gardening instructions. Excited for change, Gerald followed the book's instructions carefully, preparing the soil and selecting plants for the savannah. With care and precision, Gerald tended to the garden, using his long neck and nimble lips to sow seeds and nurture each plant. In time, the barren patch transformed into a lush oasis, with colorful flowers blooming and verdant foliage adorning the landscape. Word of Gerald's extraordinary garden spread throughout the savannah, attracting animals from far and wide who came to marvel at its beauty. Gerald found purpose in nurturing the land and fostering harmony among the creatures of the savannah. Together, they reveled in the splendor of nature's bounty, grateful for the tranquility and joy that Gerald's garden brought to their lives.